Now, business owners are very upbeat about the economy. That's according to a new survey. The Wells Fargo Small Business Survey jumping 12 points during the third quarter to its highest reading in the 15-year history of the survey. And that means more businesses are inclined to expand operations, add new employees. But what hurdles do they face? For more on this, we're joined by Wells Fargo senior economist Mark Vitner. Mark, great to have you on the show. Thanks for bringing this story exclusively to us. Let's talk about these numbers and why are they so strong? What's behind the strength of this confidence?
Well, it reflects the strength in the economy. The 4.1% GDP growth that we saw in the second quarter really lifted a lot of businesses. We saw that when we looked at the underlying details of the GDP data, which showed very strong growth in proprietors' income. And proprietors' income measures the income of non-corporate businesses, which are really the small businesses that are captured in our survey, which are businesses with $2 to $3 million a year in revenue. So these are lawn services, or the folks who put the sound system in your home. This is truly Main Street.
Truly Main Street, but these are the people who really hire America, right? They employ most Americans, certainly more than the S&P 500 companies. What could derail this, if anything? I mean, are you thinking about inflation? You're an economist after all.
Well, we did see a slowdown in small business confidence back in 2015 and 2016 when the global economy slowed. Some of the fastest growth in small businesses has been in the energy producing states, Texas and Oklahoma, North Dakota, Colorado. And so if we did see a slowdown that brought down commodity prices, that may cool things off a bit. But even then, we were seeing fairly decent growth. It just wasn't as strong as it is today.
Well, interesting to see how this is playing out in the stock markets as well. You know, we've seen strong performance from small cap stocks, too. But I want to ask you about the trade war and tariffs. This certainly affects big cap companies, S&P 500 companies, a lot, and many of them already announcing that they're going to raise prices. But are these small businesses in your survey, do they not have to worry about any of this?
Well, that's certainly a concern, and you see people mention it in the survey. There's not a question that actually deals with it, but people mention it unsolicited and saying, you know, it's something they're a little bit concerned at. They're not as concerned about that as they are about finding workers. That's their biggest concern by far is being able to find the workers that they need. And 35% of small businesses say that they plan to add workers, not just hire somebody for someone who's leaving, but to expand their staff. So that's their top concern. But certainly, if the tariffs were to slow overall employment and income growth throughout the economy, that would be a negative. Right now, that's not really the issue.
The issue is jobs. The issue is getting the people you need into those jobs. Mark, thanks for coming on. Great stuff. Appreciate your bringing it to us. Thank you.
Good to be with you.